Hey everyone, Bob requested for me to do a video on King for a Day by Anderson East, so here's this one for Bob. Alright, capo on the first fret for this song. Our chords are G, E minor, C, and I do a walk down here from the C, C, B, A minor, G. So, and then we have a D chord in there also, and that's everything for that. So we're starting out on the intro. Here's the intro for you. And the verse. And the chorus. second verse and chorus are the same. The only thing different in that song is the bridge. So here's the bridge for you. It starts out on the D chord. Back into the last chorus, and that's the song. Hopefully that helped you out a little bit. I'll go ahead and play through a verse and chorus for you one more time, straight through. Try to do it a little bit slower. It's hard for me to play slow sometimes, but I try my best to play as slow as I can for you. So here's a verse and chorus again. I appreciate all of you guys for watching. Thanks for the requests. Thanks for liking and subscribing and just being the awesome guitar players that you are. I appreciate all of you guys so much. Thank you.